Goats aren't just cute, they're one of the most sustainable farm animals you can raise. They eat almost anything, weeds, shrubs, and even farm waste, turning what others throw away into milk, meat, and manure. Their manure is a fantastic organic fertilizer, improving soil naturally without chemicals. They don't need fancy housing either. A well-ventilated shed and dry floor are all it takes to keep them healthy. Goats reproduce fast, meaning quick returns, perfect for small-scale or mixed farms. Sustainable goat farming is low-cost, eco-friendly, and highly profitable. Subscribe now for more smart farming ideas.